Ginger is a versatile and aromatic root that can be easily grown at home with the right care. Start by selecting a healthy ginger rhizome from a garden center or supermarket. Look for pieces that have well-developed buds or eyes, as these will sprout into new growth. Before planting, soak the rhizome in warm water overnight to encourage sprouting. Choose a wide, shallow pot with good drainage or a garden bed that receives partial shade, as ginger prefers indirect sunlight. Fill the container or bed with rich, well-draining soil, ideally a mix of compost and garden loam. Plant the rhizome horizontally, with the buds facing upward, and cover it lightly with 2 to 3 inches of soil. Water the soil gently to keep it moist, but avoid waterlogging, as ginger roots are prone to rot. Maintain a warm environment with temperatures between 65 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Ginger thrives in humidity, so occasional misting can help, especially in drier climates. As shoots emerge, continue to water consistently and provide a layer of mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilize every few weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer or compost tea to support healthy growth. Ginger grows slowly, so patience is key. After 8 to 10 months, the leaves will start to yellow and die back, signaling that the rhizomes are ready to harvest. Carefully dig around the plant to lift the ginger, taking care not to damage the roots. Use part of the rhizome for immediate consumption and replant a portion to continue the cycle. Growing ginger at home allows for a fresh supply of this flavorful root and offers a rewarding gardening experience. With consistent care, attention to soil moisture, and patience, anyone can successfully cultivate ginger in their garden or containers.